work. Thought I would quick drop a note on YouTube letting you know what I plan on uploading or shooting this week. Later today I'm going to be putting out a very quick video I did on some products I use on my feet, because taking care of your feet is really important. I do not go for a pedicure. I have a little bit to say about that. We'll talk about that later, but I also plan on doing some other foot related stuff as I'm a runner. I'm going to talk a little bit about athletic wear for your feet. So probably also do a video on skincare, my skin routine in the morning, and a few other things. So I hope you guys are having a good day. It's been kind of stormy here. First day of school for a lot of kids, so leaving work at a little different time, hoping to kind of get there on time because the buses are out and I'm not used to the schedule yet to know where and when I'm going to run into slower traffic due to the school buses. So hope everybody has a good week, and as always I say thank you for watching, and please click the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications.